You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this medication, this molecule. If you want to learn more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more that I'll link for you at the end of the video, more videos for you. Bupropion, this is against depression and also to help with quitting smoking. Bupropion. Bupropion, the brand name is Wellbutrin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.